What we did was we put some dry ice in this jar, and then we mixed it with hydrogen peroxide. What we want to do is we want to mix carbon dioxide atoms with hydrogen atoms. We hook this tube to the car's vacuum system. We didn't smell the exhaust, okay? We hook this to the car's vacuum system, and in the cylinder of the engine, this becomes additional power. You convert greenhouse gases into power that in some cases can double a car's gas mileage.
2003, it's a new year, and this is Al Herb, and we're documenting the exciting new, what are we calling it?
Well, in this case, we're calling it free atomic energy.
There you go.
For dummies. And what we're doing is we are going to use the car's vacuum system to suck in vapors from hydrogen peroxide and rubbing alcohol. And what I do is I put in a food dye just to help us to see the tiny bubbles. This is based on fusion energy. When you start the engine up, start the engine up, please.
And Al, what's going to happen when the engine starts?
When the engine starts, it's going to suck in air.
Speak up.
And create these tiny bubbles. And what I do is I use these mixing valves to make sure that no liquid is going into the engine, but the tiny bubbles containing the atomic atoms. You've got hydrogen atoms here. The same atoms that created the hydrogen bomb, we are going to put it in the engine, and we're going to boost the octane with rubbing alcohol. And you see the bubbles?
Yeah. See the bubbles?
Can you see it? Tiny bubbles. This is the owner of the car.
Carl, what year is this car?
89 Cadillac Eldorado.
89 Cadillac Eldorado. Good. And we're going to take it for a test drive. I will sit in the passenger seat, he'll drive, and you'll sit in the back seat.
And I'll document.